Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Chapter 19, MCQ Matching plus Question Answer. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 19, MCQ Matching plus Question Answer. This is our lecture number 8 and SW number 7. I repeat, this is our lecture number 8 and SW number 7 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students, the name of lesson 19 is The People Who Work for Us. In our previous class of social science, we learned the 4 persons as well as the 4 professionals. They are the doctor, the policeman, the farmer and the postman. We know all about the persons, these 4 persons, okay, that means their activities, their work, and we learn the true false in our previous class. Inshallah, today you will learn MCQ, that means multiple choice questions, matching and question answer. So I hope that all of you will enjoy this class. At first, look at both. At first you will learn MCQ, that means choose the best answer. So look here, it is also written lecture number 8 and SW number 7. Choose the correct answer. What is written here? Choose the correct answer, that means MCQ. Another name of MCQ is choose the correct answer. Number 1, when we feel sick, we go to the gaff. Option A, doctor, B, policeman, C, postman. Dear students, look at the MCQ number 1 properly. It is written here, when do we feel sick? We go to the, we all know from our lesson 19, that means when we feel sick, we go to the doctor, because doctor makes us well. When we feel sick, we go to the doctor. Now number 2, the policeman works in a, so look here, the policeman works in a, option A, hospital, B, field, C, police station. Dear students, we all know that means doctor works in a hospital, farmer works in a field and policeman to work in a police station. That means option number C is the correct answer. The policeman works in a police station. Number 3, we distinguish. So look at the word distinguish. Yes, distinguish means to differentiate or to differ or to separate a person, policeman by his. Dear students, we all know that means when we look at the dress of a policeman, we can easily identify him or her. So after looking at the dress of a policeman, we can distinguish or we can differentiate him or her. So look here, we distinguish a policeman by his, option A, behavior, B, dress, C, bag. Yes, we know that means by his dress. So our 3 MCQs are done, 1, 2 and 3. Now look here, we will go to matching. What is written here? It is matching. Column A and column B. We all know that in a matching there are 2 columns, column A and column B. So look here, in column A there are 3, in column B there are 3 also. Okay, look, number A, Bangladesh is, option L, in a hospital, a small country by area. So Bangladesh is a small country by area. We have learned from our book that Bangladesh, that means A is related to 3. Okay, whenever you will do your SW, you will write like me, that means A is related to 3. Bangladesh is a small country by area. Okay. Dear students, from our lesson 19 we have learned that Bangladesh is a small country, but we have a huge population. So the answer is that Bangladesh is a small country by area. Now number B. So look here, doctor makes us option well in a hospital. So doctor makes us well. B is related to 1. Doctor makes us well. Now see, doctor makes us well. Now see number, doctors works in a hospital. Okay, from our lesson 19 we have learned that doctor works in a hospital. C is related to 2. Doctor works in a hospital. Hospital. You will give here full stop. So I will tell you again so that you can easily understand or understand properly. That means A is related to 3. So look here, Bangladesh is a small country by area. Bangladesh is a small country by area. Now B, doctor makes us number 1 well. Doctor makes us well. Number C, doctor works in a hospital. That means C is related to 2. Doctor works in a hospital. At the end I have given full stop and you must put full stop here. Now we will go to short questions or question answer. So look here, answer the following short questions. Answer the following short questions. Number 1, what does the policeman work for us? Look at the questions properly. What does the policeman work for us? Answer, the policeman arrest the thieves and robbers. Okay, whom do they arrest? They arrest thieves and robbers. So look here, the policeman arrest or catch the thieves and robbers. He controls the traffic in city. Yes, you know well because you live in a city. He controls the traffic in city. Number 2, we eat rice. Who helps us to get it? So look here, we eat rice. Who helps us to get it? Answer, farmer helps us to get the rice. Dear students, we all know that farmers work in a field and they grow different types of crops. Look at the board. Farmer helps us to get the rice. He does a good job for us. That means farmers does a good job for us. So these are our 2 short questions or question answer 1 and 2. They are the students. Now look at the end of our board. It is written SW. This is your normal work, everyday work also, homework, lesson 19, short questions 1 and 2. So look here, this is our SW number 7. It is written here also, lecture number 8 and SW number 7. And your SW is short questions 1 and 2. So look here, 1 and 2. So at first, whenever you will do your SW, at first you will write the questions. That means you must pick up the questions, then answer. So look here, 1 and 2. At first I will tell you again. At first you will write the questions, then answer, then question number 2, then answer. Dear students, don't miss to write the questions at first. Whenever you will write the questions at first, then means teacher will understand then what type of SW it is. And finally, my request is to you, please write me in the comment box because our comment box is always open for you. If you have any questions, write me. Inshallah, I will give the answer of your questions. And do your SW properly. And finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.